Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of server assembly in factories. Let's dive in. As we step into the factory, the first thing we notice is the organized chaos around us. We see rows of workstations, each equipped with all the necessary tools for assembly. The air buzzes with enthusiasm as skilled workers prepare for a new batch of servers. Our first stop is at the motherboards. These are the heart of every server. We carefully take a motherboard from the shelf, ready to start this assembly process. Next up, we grab RAM modules, improving speed and performance of our servers. We align the RAM carefully with the motherboard, ensuring a perfect fit. Now it's time for processors. These tiny chips are powerful enough to handle massive tasks. We delicately place the CPU onto the motherboard and secure it with precision. With the motherboard set, we reach for storage drives, crucial for data retention. We choose between SSDs and HDDs based on speed and capacity needs. Each drive clicks into place, ready to store tons of information for users. Moving on, we assemble power supplies that provide essential energy to our servers. These units are critical for maintaining operational efficiency inside the server. Now it's time to install cooling systems, keeping our servers from overheating. We carefully position fans and heat sinks to ensure optimal airflow. Now we connect cables. This step is vital in ensuring everything communicates smoothly. Each cable must be meticulously connected. Clarity is key to avoiding issues later. With everything in place, it's time to close up our server chassis. We tighten all screws securely, ensuring durability during transport and usage. Let's run diagnostic tests to ensure everything is functioning correctly. During testing, we check everything from RAM performance to temperature levels. Once everything passes, it's time to package our newly assembled server. We wrap it carefully, ensuring it's safe for delivery to customers around the globe. The finished product looks sleek and ready for its new home in data centers. And here you have it, a server fully assembled from start to finish in record time. Thanks for joining me on this fast-paced journey through server assembly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content like this. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the tech that shapes our world.